Did you know? Jewelry design is also a significant piece of work that needs to be protected. Yes, you heard it right, protected. In this video, we will understand and learn more about why it is important to protect jewelry design and how IP law protects jewelry and the intersection as well as the importance of the same. By design, the first things that come to our mind usually are clothes, machinery, or any other such type of product. But there is also one design that must be protected, which is often ignored in commerce, and that is jewelry design. Traditional designs are getting a modern twist, incorporating contemporary styles and global influences. Moreover, renowned designers are partnering with jewelry brands, bringing their unique perspective and pushing creative boundaries. According to the Bloomberg Market Report of 2024, India globally stands out as the top revenue generator in the jewelry market with a projected revenue of US $81 billion in the fiscal year of 2023 and 24. India's jewelry market is experiencing a boost in demand for traditional gold and gemstone designs, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage. Owing to this large economic boost, it is only necessary and imperative for jewelry designers and companies to be aware about protecting their jewelry with designs. Now, with such growing economic demands, also arises the trouble of copycat designs or knockoffs, which is the exact replica of the jewelry which is sold for cheap under the same brand name. Also, this is not a loss but a huge profit drop for the brand as well as the designers of such jewelry items. It is a known fact that imitations of jewelry are easily available on multiple websites and e commerce, with jewelry brands showcasing their exquisite collections online. And with the latest 3D printing technologies, there are many methods and tricks as to how fraudsters and scamsters are imitating and copying original jewelry designs. Since it's impossible for us to catch them individually, there is only one way to protect such scammers from eating away at profits of reputable jewelry and design brands. These are being aware of their intellectual property rights and laws. So let's see what protections the designers must take to protect their precious jewelry designs from being imitated and the replicas being sold. First is filing for design registration under the Designs Act of 2000. Designs are protected under the Design Act of 2000s, which cover the visual appearance of the product, including the shape, configuration, ornamentation, and patterns. In the Indian jewelry industry, an example of design protection is when a designer creates an intricate kundan necklace which features a blend of traditional Rajasthani aesthetics. The unique pattern as well as the setting arrangements of the overall design can be protected under the Designs Act by filing for design registration. A designer who creates original artistic work can protect the shapes, the configurations, and the ornamentation of their official creation. Let's move on to copyright. One can claim copyright for the sketches of jewelry designs under the Copyright Act. Upon claiming a copyright of such a jewelry design, the owner of such a copyright gets to communicate the sketches of the designs to the public, issue copies of the sketches, as well as circulate and include the jewelry in cinematographic films, and represent and reproduce the jewelry in any material form. Let's move on to trademarks. Trademarks safeguard a brand's identity by protecting the names, the logos, and the symbols that distinguish a company's products. In the Indian jewelry industry, trademarks are crucial for establishing the recognition and loyalty. For example, the Tanishq brand name and its distinctive logo are protected trademarks. Popular brand names such as Kalyan Jewelers, TBZ, PNG, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, as well as Joya Lucas are all registered trademarks. These marks ensure that consumers can identify and trust the quality and authenticity of the products and differentiate them from their competitors. In India, many jewelry brands have successfully used trademarks to safeguard and maximize their intellectual property value by registering their names, slogans, and logos, and even specific product designs. In summary, intellectual property protections are essential in the jewelry industry, allowing the jewelers and the brands to secure their creative and inventive efforts. By leveraging the various forms of intellectual property rights, such as trademarks, copyrights, and designs, designers can protect their unique creations collaborations, build brand recognition, and encourage continuous innovation.
For more such informative videos on intellectual property, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.